Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make a data latch using logic gates. So here I am using a laptop, so let's plunge us into darkness. So here I've got my laptop. Here I've got all the logic gates. Here there are two NOT gates, two AND gates and a NOT gate. So first what do? We connect the switch to both of these and then the store signal, which is our button, and one to the NOR gate and one to the first AND gate. So here from the NOT gate the signal gets inverted and goes. So the AND gate is outputting a 0. We will place it here. So this one goes to the ramp. The next one, this one goes third back, and then this one also goes here. Let's test it. So here I've entered a 1 on the data signal, and you can see when I will put this button, then the light will come on. And see here, if I put a 0, the light doesn't turn on. So here, if you want to make an SR latch, there are two ways. Now let me show you how to make an SR latch. One way we can use is making it. We can use an OR gate, an AND gate and a NOT gate. So here I will put two toggle switches. And here now what we will do is connect the first switch to the first input of the OR gate and the outer of the OR gate to the AND gate and the outer of the NOT gate to the AND gate. We can see the AND gate is now outputting a 1. So here if we grab a light bulb, we can connect the output to the light bulb. But what's interesting here is that the wire from the AND gate gets turned back into the OR gate. Let's see how this behaves. So I put a 1 and you can see it remembers the same. The light remains on, and when I put a 0, meaning from the reset, that makes the light turn off. And the next way, here we have to delete all these. Then bring two toggle switches. But this time we will use two NOT gates. The first NOT gate and the second NOT gate. So the first switch input goes into the first NOT gate and the second to the second NOT gate. So here this one goes back to this input and this one to this input. Now let's put a light bulb here and connect this here. So here let's put the set to 1 and here the light turns on. When I set the set to 0, then it turns to 0. I mean it remains 1, but these two are still 0. So this has been remembered. Now if I put the reset, the light turns off. And you can see it remembers the state, and then that's it for this video.